Hello and welcome to this video course on CrewAI presented by techlatest.net. In our previous video of this course, we covered basics about CrewAI framework, its core concepts and how it works. We also covered the key features it offers and navigated through the official documentation. In this video, we are going to talk about CrewAI-Studio, the intuitive no-code graphical interface for running and managing CrewAI agents and tasks. It is built to make multi-agent orchestration seamless and accessible, even if you are not a developer. In this video, we will walk you through what CrewAI-Studio is, how it works, key features, and how to start using it effectively right from your browser. At its core, CrewAI is an agent orchestration framework. We already discussed this in detail in our previous video. It lets you build intelligent crews of AI agents, each with specific roles and tools, who collaborate to complete complex tasks. Think of it like a digital workplace. You have a research agent that finds information, a writer agent that turns that into content, and maybe a publisher agent that posts it online. Now, CrewAI-Studio takes all of these agents, tasks, tools, and wraps it in a user-friendly point-and-click interface. No need to touch the command line or write complex code. Just open your browser and start building. At its heart, CrewAI-Studio is a Streamlit-based graphical user interface that eliminates the need for command line know-how. Anyone can configure and run multi-agent workflows with ease. Let's take a quick tour of the CrewAI-Studio interface. When you launch the app, you will land on the main dashboard. Here you will find buttons to add agents, tasks, tools, knowledge, crews, etc. You can see a list of your existing crews here. If you want to enable any tools, for that you need to navigate to the tools page. Here we have list of available tools. You need to enable them before using. Just click on them and they will be added in the enabled list. Similarly, we have knowledge option here. Knowledge in CrewAI is a powerful system that allows AI agents to access and utilize external information sources during their task. Think of it as giving your agent a reference library they can consult while working. Click on Create Knowledge, select the appropriate options from the drop down, like if you want to create a knowledge from any PDF, or if you want to provide a URL, any link from the website, go through all other options and save your changes here. Now let's see what we have in the Agents tab. A list of previously added agents. If you want to create a new agent, click on Add Agent. You will need to define here agents, their role and their goal, and assign them any tools and knowledge they will need to complete their task. You can also choose which LLM provider they use, like OpenAI, Grok, LM Studio, and more available here in the drop down. You will need to provide the API key for your chosen LLM provider. Next, we have task. Each task includes a description, the agent assigned to it, and optional expected output. You can chain multiple tasks together for sequential workflow. Now create a crew. Once your agents and tasks are ready, go to Crew tab and create new crew. Crew is a group of agents assigned to a shared objective. They work together on a task flow you define. Give a name to your crew here. Select the process type, sequential or hierarchical. Sequential process means the tasks will get executed sequentially, ensuring tasks are completed in an orderly progression. Hierarchical it organizes tasks in a managerial hierarchy, where tasks are delegated and executed based on a structured chain of command. A manager language model, manager LLM, or a custom manager agent must be specified in the crew to enable the hierarchical process, facilitating the creation and management of tasks by the manager. Select agent and then select a task for that agent. Use verbose for detailed login. With memory enabled, agents learn from previous collaboration and improve their delegation decisions over time. Caches can be employed to store the result of tools execution, making the process more efficient by reducing the need to re-execute identical tasks. Set these parameters as per your requirement. Once configuration done, save your crew. Navigate to kickoff page to run the crew to see them in action. Select your crew and click on Run button. Progress updates and results will appear right in the interface, and you can stop execution anytime if needed. Click on Console Output to see the output of the crew execution. Wait for it to finish. Results history. After a run, you can view detailed output, copy or print results, or export your data. CrewAI-Studio even saves your previous runs for future reference. Let's walk through some of the standout capabilities of CrewAI-Studio. First of all, no coding required. You configure your AI agents by clicking and not by typing long CLI commands. It supports multi-LLM backends like OpenAI, Grok, Anthropic, etc. Multi-agent coordination. You can design complex workflows with easy using CrewStudio. Built-in CrewAI tools includes API calling, file writing, enhanced code interpreter, web scraping, and lot more, with more to come. Knowledge source integration. Seamlessly add documents or data sources for your agent crews. Result history. Quick access to previous run so you can track progress and revisit earlier experiments. Single page app export. Turn your crews into standalone Streamlit apps with one click. These are some of the features of CrewAI-Studio. Now it's all baked into the tech latest virtual machine solution, which features CrewAI, CrewAI-Studio, and JupyterHub along with GPU support, fully pre-configured and ready to use. If you are using the tech latest .NET VM, you are already ahead of the curve. Here is why. No setup required. CrewAI-Studio and all dependencies are pre-installed along with JupyterHub and NVIDIA GPU support. Faster startup. Skip the configuration and get straight to building. Consistent environment. Everything works out of the box. Browser-based interface. Access it from anywhere, anytime. Whether you are experimenting with AI workflows, building prototypes, or automating tasks, this VM gives you everything you need with none of the headaches of installation. Now that you have seen what CrewAI-Studio can do, you are ready to dive deeper. In our upcoming videos of this series, we will see some real-world demos in action. We will cover how to create your first agent, build your first task flow, and run your first autonomous AI crew, all right from your tech latest CrewAI virtual machine. In the next lesson, we will cover a quick overview of JupyterHub, a widely used browser-based development environment. To learn more about tech latest CrewAI solution, visit our website at www.techlatest.net, navigate to Products and Support page, scroll down to CrewAI solution. The solution is available on major cloud platforms including Azure, Google Cloud GCP, and Amazon Web Services AWS. Here you can check out deployment guides of each of these platforms. To deploy the solution on your preferred cloud, click on Launch Now on buttons available. Hope you liked the video. Keep watching for more exciting videos on CrewAI. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on X, LinkedIn, Reddit, and Medium for more exciting content in technology.